Balik Metropolitan Theater ang Puso ng Pasko, the annual Christmas ballet ng Alice Reyes Dance Philippines. Pabata ng pabata ang cast. We have been doing this production for 4 Christmas seasons already. It started at the Cultural Center of the Philippines and here at the Met in 2022. Then did a national North and South tour and has been doing command performances at Malacanang for the last 3 years. National Artist for Dance Alice Reyes and ARDP's Artistic Director Ronald Soñadao led the company's traditional green room just before the matinee.
Hi, vlog! Discovery!
This was the meet and greet after the matinee. We performed for schools and the kids loved the show. This is Ali who plays my granddaughter. We had a 4-hour break before the evening performance. This is our lovely set and ayun, yan ang lungga ko. This is the second cast for the evening show going over their choreography. Then it was time for a sound check.
Eto na naman tayo, muling nagkasama. Taon-taon na lamang tayo'y nagkikita. At kahit di nagkakausap ng tagal pa, pag nagkaharap-harap, ang saya-saya. May ilan sa atin na hindi makakarating, at may ilan pa sa kanila di na makapipili. Ngunit kahit wala sila, ay parang nariyan pa rin. Dahil sila ay naandyan sa puso natin. Isang taong lumipas, isang taong dumaan. May tumaba, may umayan, may nagtampuhan, may nagkapatid, may nagsama't hiwalayan. Kaya ang dami-dami nating kwentuhan.
The story of Puso ng Pasko revolves around Val and his apo Angelita who live in New Jersey. She's never been to the Philippines, so her lolo Val makes kwento about Christmas in his hometown of Tres Reyes. She is magically transported to the town plaza where she meets the young Val, his love interest Sab, and his barkada. And it is in experiencing Christmas in the Philippines and with them that she learns kung ano talaga ang puso ng Pasko.
Hanggang sa susunod na Pasko, pagkatapos mo mag-Disney, ang 4 na bal, bali nyo lang makikita yan.
Wherever we perform, audiences just love this show. This show should tour all over the world where Filipinos are longing and missing Christmas in the Philippines.
Oh.
Maligayang Pasko!
Till the next Christmas, maligayang Pasko!
Yeah!